Howdy y'all, I've been listening to music on MiniDisc as of late, but basically burning a couple of my soundtracks onto some of these discs. Now these ones are rewritable ones, so they don't really have any fun art, unlike the ones that I got that were kind of like more commercial releases by Bandcamp artists. This particular one is Level Select by Pizza Hotline, so it got me wondering, what can I do about labels? And well, the MiniDisc Wiki has me covered. So on here they have a section that just goes over some of the labels that they have, and I really kind of like the design that they're showing right here. And as it turns out, the community made a label generator for it. Yeah, it's really simple to use. All you have to do is just change the image, the title, the name of the artist, and the year. So I'm gonna try making a quick one for this cool pink one, which has the Hypnospace Outlaw soundtrack on it. And on this red one, I have Nightmare Reaper's soundtrack. So let's see here, just gonna add a file. So just gonna select that file. Cool, we got Hypnospace Outlaw, Outlaw OST. Let's see here, and this came out in 2019. And then I want the light theme. So it'll make this part and that part white, because I think the back of this disc, yep, it's kind of a white. And I got my Nightmare Reaper one done here too. Now I was thinking, how am I gonna print these out? And then I remembered that I got this little label printer as a gift. This is a proprietary app, which, you know, not the biggest fan of, but hey, I have it, let's try using it. Okay, it's connected, and print. And that's not too bad. Size isn't exactly what I would expect it to be though. All right, let's see what the size of these labels should be on the MiniDisc Wiki. Okay, it says the front label is on, for like a color printer like that, is 52 by 38 millimeters. Okay, let's see here. Let's go with, yeah, 36 by 52. All right, let's try that. Let's try with the Nightmare Reaper one, since we can kind of get an idea of where that starts and ends because of the black. Okay, now that looks a little bit too thick. Oh yeah, that's too big. Okay, definitely need to bring it down a bit. Let's see, is there a way to adjust the size? Or if I do that, does it like, oh goodness, that's not great. So I guess I just gotta readjust it until it gets to 5.2. Oh, interesting. Okay, so what if I need to go all the way to the top here, it seems. Oh, 5.1, almost there. 5.4, 5.2. Okay, let's give that a try. That's looking good. Hey, that looks about right. Let's cut this down to size. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's pretty close. Oh, interesting, it only came out as 48. This might need some trial and error. Let's do 5.6. That looks about right. We might want to just trim it a little bit. Pretty good. However, now I've made it harder to actually remove the sticker itself from the paper. There we go, I got it eventually. Ah, that looks good. Now, I do wonder if I try to go to burn this, if it's gonna like affect this at all, since like this is a thermal printer, but hey, it should be fine for now. Oh, and you can kind of see a little bit inside there. So 5.6 seemed to be kind of like the magic number for that, and with 5.3, because I just replaced the image, I don't really have to worry about resizing it. Okay, let's put this one on. And now we have fun little labels for two of the soundtracks I have. Now, the printer itself is a little bit low resolution, and it's in black and white, so maybe I need to look into getting a color one in the future. So maybe I'll do a video about that if I do end up getting that kind of printer. But hey, in the meantime, not a bad way of labeling my discs. That's gonna be it for now though. So long, y'all.